Hello everyone and welcome to another video. It has been a while ever since I last reviewed a pair of earbuds, so for this rare occasion I have something very interesting to show you. Today we take a closer look at the Soundcore P3i wireless earbuds. The Soundcore P3i's are one of the most popular earbuds on the internet right now, so I got a little curious and ordered a pair for myself to see what they have to offer. The earbuds ship in a small and simple package and come with a manual, a Type-C USB charge cable, and the usual replacement ear tips in different sizes. Nothing exciting or unexpected. The first thing that piqued my interest was the case. It is quite small and has rounded edges, which make it very easy to slip in and out of pockets. It's also magnetic to keep the earbuds in place. There is a groove on the lid to open the case easily, and it's also a great fidget toy. The charge port is on the bottom, and the case can hold up to 36 hours of battery life. The earbuds themselves have a battery life of up to 9 hours. Depending on your preferred volume and noise cancellation, it might be reduced, but the battery life is very good nonetheless. Just like the design of the case, I really enjoy the earbuds as well. I'm usually not the biggest fan of stem earbuds, but these ones get a pass, cause they're not that big and surprisingly comfortable to wear. They're also pretty well built. The inside is protected by a metal mesh instead of a piece of foam like on cheaper earbuds, and the buttons are very responsive. I know that a lot of people prefer touch controls on wireless earbuds, but the implementation of buttons here is one of the best I've seen. They require barely any pressure to activate, and you will hardly notice it when wearing them. This also comes with the benefit of being glove friendly, unlike touch controls. The earbuds are also IPX6 certified, meaning they are protected against strong jets of water, so wearing them in the rain or during exercise is perfectly fine. The aforementioned buttons are highly customizable within the Soundcore app, including volume controls, pausing, skipping, and so on. This is also where you can access the noise cancellation and transparency mode, both of which work as intended, though I find that the transparency mode is more useful overall. The Soundcore app itself is alright. It does come off as advertisement from Anchor of course, but there are much worse examples out there, so I'm fine using it. The Bluetooth 5.2 connection is rock solid and it stayed stable even when I moved 8 meters away from my phone. However, and this is my biggest complaint, there is a certain amount of latency, meaning a delay between the audio and the visuals when watching a video, for example. It's not much, but it's noticeable. The earbuds have 4 microphones for quote-unquote enhanced calls, but they really sound just as mediocre and tinny as regular cheap earbuds, but they get the job done.
And this is what the microphones sound like, in case you wondered. They're very tinny and remind me of significantly cheaper earbuds, so they're usable, but I wouldn't necessarily make any important calls with them.
Now to the moment everyone has been waiting for. How do they sound? At first I thought that the earbuds are overly bassy, but then I turned off the active noise cancellation and everything sounded much more balanced as a result. Still more on the bassy side, but not bad at all. I also fiddled around with the in-app equalizer, but ultimately decided that I like how the earbuds sound straight out of the box. Overall, I'd say the earbuds are well suited for casually listening to music. In summary, the Soundcore P3i wireless earbuds are solid all around, in particular when it comes to design, build quality, and battery life. The sound quality is decent too, but a bit on the bassy side. The biggest downsides of the earbuds are the unimpressive microphone quality and the latency issues when watching videos. For a price of 70 euros, they are low to medium tier earbuds and they go on sale frequently. I personally got mine for 50 euros and for that price I can wholeheartedly recommend them. But even if you pay full price, there's a lot of value to be had here. But that's it on my part. If you like this video, make sure to check out one of my other reviews, and if you have any questions or simply want to share your opinion, please leave a comment below. Thank you very much for watching, and of course, have a wonderful day.